Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenzie Kens. I am back with another hair video and I'm actually kind of nervous but really excited for today's video because I'm going to be attempting to strip the color from my hair. I kind of thought it would be cool to see if I could strip the existing color in my hair to kind of get it back to a lighter base so that my color could really pop. So I was in Target and I picked this up. This is Color Oops. This has been around for years. I've always seen it but I've never used it personally. Color Oops Hair Color Remover, extra strength, simply wash away difficult colors, gently removes permanent and semi-permanent hair color. So after I went blonde, I switched to semi-permanent dye, and that's what I've been using ever since to get all my different hair colors. So the red, the purple, all semi-permanent colors, and this claims to remove semi-permanent. So we're gonna see if that's true today. The main reason why I got this is because it says ammonia free and bleach free. So I mean, I feel like I don't really know how it's gonna lift color from my hair without bleaching. I don't know, but your girl really doesn't want any damage. Color Oops corrects your hair color by shrinking the dye molecules, allowing you to simply wash them away. Our unique formula is bleach-free and ammonia-free. Color Oops will not have the damaging effects of bleach or ammonia-based products. That's what I'm looking for. So in the box you get one bottle, one little short bottle that has the number 1 on it, and a little applicator bottle with the number 2. And then of course the instructions. So normally I would get 2 boxes of anything that I'm putting on my hair, but they literally only had 1 in Target and I figured I would only do my ends anyway, so hopefully, cross your fingers, we're going to be able to make this stretch and get to the ends across my whole head. So it does recommend that you do a skin patch test and make sure you're not allergic. I'm gonna be completely real, I'm not gonna do that. Don't be like me, okay? Do as I say and not as I do. I'm gonna just go ahead and pray that God's gonna have my back, you know? But I am advising you to do as the directions say. Do a color test, do a strand test, a skin patch test. You don't want to irritate your skin or, God forbid, you get some kind of crazy reaction. Don't be like me. Do better. Do better than me. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a towel over my shoulders and we're going to get started. Okay guys, so here is a look at my color. Currently, it's very faded, dry and dusty looking pretty much. On the back of the instructions, they do give you some gloves, so that's nice. Let me go ahead and peel these off. Step 1 is to mix the contents of the 2 bottles, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. It says to remove the cap on bottle number 2 and pour number 1 inside. I do want to note it also says to hold away from your face, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm holding it away from my face, but there is a smell. It doesn't smell too pleasant, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not the worst thing in the world either. So now that I've replaced the cap, I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up. It says to shake well for 30 seconds. Alright, so I think I've shaken this up sufficiently. I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair to make application easier. Now it says to apply liberally to areas of hair that need hair color removal or correction. For me, that's going to be mostly my ends, and most of my color is now concentrated on the top sections of my hair. Move quickly through the application as the activity of the mixture decreases with elapsed time. Okay, so basically you want to move as quickly as possible to make sure that the ingredients are still reactive once you get through your whole head. I'm just going to cut the tip off of the applicator bottle so it actually comes out. Okay, and now I'm going to start. So again, I'm only going to really concentrate on my ends because that's where the color is. This smell is interesting. I think I'm going to go ahead and do one general application to cover everything, and then with whatever's left I'll go back and hit the areas again. I think I'm just going to pour it in my hand and speed this up a little bit. My head is too damn big for this cap, but it says to cover your hair and let it sit for 20 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes and as you can see, it worked. I haven't rinsed it out yet, but you can definitely see that a lot of my color was stripped. I feel like it's basically trying to get back to the blonde that I had before I went red, which is crazy, man, because I haven't been blonde since like 2016. So this is just wild, man. Obviously it's not perfect. I only had one box, so I feel like I wasn't able to fully saturate my hair the way I would want to, but for my purposes this is fine because I'm gonna put dye on top of this anyway. But now since my base is a little lighter, hopefully the purple I put on will be even brighter. So I'm actually super impressed with this. I'm gonna go ahead and take down my section so you guys can really see. Like, wow, it really did lighten. Like, whoa, look at my hair, guys. It's a funky color. So this is what we are working with. I haven't rinsed it out yet. Okay, so this is kind of irritating my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair and these are the final results of stripping my semi-permanent dye with Color Oops. So far, the only negative I will say about this is that the smell lingers. I wash my hair and it still smells like the Color Oops and it's not a pleasant smell. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna rinse my hair another time and put my best smelling products in it or something because this smell is not cute. I'm not trying to walk around like this. But yeah, that's my one and only problem. Other than that, 2 thumbs up from me. As you can see, it's not quite blonde, not quite red. I don't know, it's somewhere in between. I might rock with it for a week, see how I feel, because it's been a minute since I've had hair this light. Again, remember that I only had one box, which is probably not a great idea. I feel like I couldn't fully saturate my hair just because I have a lot of it and it's very dense and thick. So I would say if your hair is anything like mine, make sure you get at least 2 boxes. If you have less hair than mine, 1 should be fine for you. Definitely brighter and more vibrant, which is what I wanted. I want a brighter base so that when I put the next dye on top of it, whatever color it is, it would really pop. In terms of the way my hair feels, it feels fine. It feels like normal. A little bit drier than normal, but that was to be expected, even though it's not bleach. I expect anything that says a stripping color to dry my hair out a little bit, but that's nothing that some deep conditioner can't fix. My curls are not damaged. As you can see, they look the same as they always look. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a great option for those of you who enjoy switching your color up and don't want to go for the hard stuff, the bleach. I didn't experience any damage. I don't know if other people have. This claims not to damage your hair because it has no ammonia and no bleach. But if you or anyone that you know have tried Color Oops and had a similar or different experience, please drop a comment and let me know. I'm interested to know how frequently people are using this, if it ever goes wrong, because I don't know, for me this seems like a great product. To have the ability to strip your hair color without damaging your hair seems like too good to be true, so I'm almost like a little skeptical, you know. But hey, my results speak for themselves. I'm happy. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed my review of Color Oops hair color remover, please give me 2 big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. Go on over to my Instagram channel at Kenzie_Kens1. I'll put it down below somewhere. Keep up with me. That's where you find things out first, so definitely make sure you follow me on Insta. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to the fam. We are so close to 10,000, guys. This is crazy. I don't know what to say except thank you to everyone who watches me every week, and thank you to everyone who shares my videos. I really super appreciate it. I love all of you guys, and until next time, bye!